Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about max date function. So how it is helpful and we'll see in today's video. So please try to watch my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking on today's video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. I'll try to explain. So what are the steps I have followed to implement this report on so before that, so I will try to explain. So these are the tables I have imported: category, customer and sales territory, as well as the dim date, fact, internet sales, geography, product and subcategory. And also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. Okay, so if you look at here, so I have established a relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables from one direction to the many direction. So if I place the mouse over here, we can see some kind of color highlighting. So it means that we have the relation from the dimension one side to the fact table many sides. Even you can see this kind of arrow symbol. The filter propagation is flowing from one direction to the many direction. In separate video, I'll try to explain so in detail all details about a relationship, what kind of options that are available. But in today's video, we'll try to focus on report. Okay, jump into the report pane. Here I'll try to explain. So here I have created some measures for getting the max sales and max sales data. So first of all, so I'll try to explain. I have matrix visual. In this I have the year as well as month. So for the respective total sales year wise in 2001, this is the sales under 2001: July month 546, August month 707, September, October, November, December, like that we have the sales. But our requirement is I want to find the max sales under the current context. I want to find the max sales under the current context. In this, what is the current context? July month. In the July month, what is the max sales? So here understanding context, it's very important, because if you look at here in 2001, under the year 2001, in July month, what is the max sales? 76.765 in this context. And which day it was that sales? Okay, and in July month 76.65, on which date? 7/22, in July 22. In August month 56.87, 8/11, August 10th. So in September, likewise each month wise we are getting the max sales and when it was happened, that date of that sale. Okay, we are getting the max sales date also. So I'll try to open the measures so we'll get some idea on that. So max sales. So for getting the max sales, this is max date. In this context, for max sales date, so I have declared variables max sales, so I'm getting the max sales. So I have declared another variables under the max x function. I'm using the filter function. Under the filter function, I'm passing the dim date as a table. For the total sales, I'm passing the max sales. So whenever the total sale equal to the max sales, then it gives the date. And finally, I'm returning that if the total sales are blank, I'm returning the blank. If it is not blank, it returns this variable. Okay, so likewise we are getting the max sales for each month wise and year wise. So likewise we are getting the max sales for each month wise and also max sales date also. So this is year and month wise, but when it comes to year wise, okay, so in 2001 this is the sales amount, in 2002 this is the sales, and 3 sales, 4 sales. Here what is the max sales? 83.69. Okay, when it was happened, on which day this sales amount happened, in 12/8/2001. But here in July month different, in 2002 different date, in 2003 different date, in 2004 different date. So there are some cases we need to find when, in which day the max sales happen and what is the sales amount. So likewise we can find, but in different page I have designed the min sales date. Okay, so each month wise I want to see the minimum sales and when it was happened. So here also same, instead of whatever we have seen here, we are finding the max sales and max sales date. But when it comes to this page, in this matrix usual, I'm trying to find the minimum sales under the July month and when it was happened. So likewise we are finding month wise. So for this also I'll try to explain what kind of measures I have created for min sales. So min-x function I am using for finding the minimum sales under the current context. So in this context, what is the minimum sales? July month. And for finding the minimum sales date, so I am using the min-x. The same thing, I am passing the, if the total sale value equal to the minimum sales, it returns the date value for that current context, whether it is a month or a year. And finally we are validating the total sales are blank or not. If it is blank, it returns the blank value, otherwise it returns the total sales. Okay, here also, so we can see that in July month, so what is the minimum sales? 2.98. And what is the minimum sales date when it was happened? 7/4/2001. Okay, in August month, so in August month, what is the minimum sales? 3. And which day it was? 17th of August in 2001. And September month, so 3. 19th September 29th. So likewise it returns the, when the under the respect to current context, it returns the minimum sales as well as minimum sales date also. So that is a month level. Okay, but when it comes to year, here we can see that under in 2001, with respect to the current context in 2001, what is the minimum sales? 1.98. When it was happened? So October 25th. Okay, in 2002, 0.13. When it was happened? 11th of April. Okay, in 2003, so March of 25th, so 2.42. So likewise we can find the minimum sales for each month wise as well as year wise. So we can analyze the data, so which rate was performing more number of sales and which rate was less number of sales. So likewise we can calculate. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks so much for watching.